What's good, YouTube? So I'm back with another video. We back continuing on building Carnage. As you can see in the background, we got a little something different going on. As you can see, we went ahead and got the gloss black hood wrap. Yes, sir. Look pretty nifty, if I might say. But anywho, today we are going to be putting on the carbon fiber trunk from Trufiber. The reason for this, if you remember, as in the video where I show where I had that dent in the trunk and paint chip for the pine cone, yeah, the pine cone that did that damage to my car. The price to get a whole new trunk was the same price as getting it fixed, so I went and got a new trunk, of course. So today we're gonna be saying goodbye to the wing and saying hello to the good old carbon fiber trunk with no wing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all boys what that looks like now. So this is the trunk right here. Looks pretty sick. Can't wait to put it on. As you can see, it doesn't have the holes to go ahead and put in a wing, so we're gonna eventually have to do that. So we're gonna be rocking the we're gonna be looking like Toby for a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna be getting rid of this right here. Yeah, it's tragic. You see that? Tragic. But I'm gonna get rid of this good old wing. I actually have somebody I'm finna sell this to, so yeah. Anywho, let's just go ahead and get straight into it. I'm finna switch to the GoPro and we will get started with this install. All right, we done switched to the GoPro. So first thing that we need to do is actually pull back these trim pieces. So as you see, we gotta take out, I think these are called grommets. Anyway, we gotta take out the two grommets here, pop out these push pins, remove this, and then we also have to take off the trunk latch once again. So finna go ahead and do that. Speed run this. Got that off. Now that we got the trim off, we're gonna go ahead and remove this connector up under here as well as under here. Then we're gonna take these out and put the assembly to the side. All right, got that. All right, got that. Now what is these? All right, there we go. Fuck. All right, that one was easy. All right, finally got the assembly up out of the way. All right, what is next? The trunk latch, I think that is a 7mm. I'm actually finna confirm real quick with a little YouTube search. Handy manny, I keep that tool on me. We got the cordless impact right here. So this is actually, these two up here are actually 10mm, and there's actually one in the back that is a 10mm as well. So well, I gotta take the rear deck lid off as well as the camera. So these. All right, now we got the 7mm bolts that are located in these two positions. Gotta be careful with this because it will fall inside of the trunk. Almost lost that one inside of the trunk. All right. There we go. I got scared I was about to break that bitch, but finally got it off. That worked. All right. And we got the deck lid that they replaced for $1,000 when this shit got hit. That's crazy. Take this off. Like this. I think I need those clear. Now we can actually go ahead and get the trunk off. So it's gonna be two 10mm. It's gonna be one here and one on the opposite side. All right. And then got the trunk off, as you can see. Now it's time to go ahead and put the carbon fiber one on. Let me go ahead and clean my hands before I get to touching this though. All right, now it's time to go ahead and kind of fully unwrap this and figure out how do I get this off. of the pieces of wood that what is underneath it. What is this? I assume that's a 10 mil, whatever. So it appears to get this off, there's actually 10 mils underneath it. I'm gonna double check real quick. It actually should be good to take it off, and then we get to installing. All right. So you see what we got to do, just line it up with the holes. I need to back mine out to help. Yep. All right, bet. All right, I'm gonna... Make sure, yeah. Oh yeah, I forget, this one don't got as much weight, so it's harder for me to close the trunk, but let's just make sure the fitment is all right. Yeah, it is, fitment is good. Oh man, if we crack it. Actually, I think that might have, yeah, that's a crack. I think it might have came like this, because I didn't see that. I'm gonna email them. Whatever, I'm gonna still put it on for now. That's crazy. But I'm gonna see what they wanna do. I'll take a picture of that. They'll fucking replace it, but that's crazy. Alright, we are back. We did a bit of a time skip because we ran into some issues in regards to getting the retaining clips behind the deck lid out to transfer over. On top of that, we also noticed that there was damage to the actual trunk. As you can see right here, well, I don't know if I get the angle, but yeah, as you can see right here, if not, I'll take a picture and put it up on the screen so you can see it better. But right there, as well as there's a little inconsistency in the finish somewhere over here, but I think that's, I don't know, it just looked like something got smudged on there, honestly. But I mean, also we did break one of the retaining clips that goes behind the deck lid as well. I'll probably end up getting another one of those, and the deck lid is also not flush. So a couple of issues that we run into. I've already sent out an email to Trufiber. But honestly, this is the look. I'm actually finna pull it out of the driveway to get a better view of it. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie though, if I do end up getting another carbon fiber trunk, it needs a wing. And another thing is, because this trunk is not that heavy, you actually gotta kind of put some force behind it to close it. But it works fine. I'm gonna bring it out in the light so you can see. I like it. It does definitely indeed need a wing, but I am very pissed at the same time that I waited all this time to finally get the trunk. And then there's actually like this right here. It's in the light now that you can see it. But yeah, that right there, as well as you can't really even see this, but if this was fine, then it would have been a go. But that is so tragic, bro. It's so tragic. But I mean, I kind of expect, I even said it before I fully unpackaged it. I told my mom and told my peeps that sometimes they do actually end up getting damaged in the creation process. But bro, it would have been so sick. Anywho, I'm gonna see what they say. I'm actually gonna rock this until they tell me to. It's very likely that I'm gonna have to destroy this, so y'all gonna have to watch me destroy this. But yeah, I'm gonna rock this until they get back to me on the email and figure out what the hell to do. Hopefully they don't try to say that I did it, because I am going to be very pissed, and I will not be getting I will not be buying another from them. I'm actually going to go to Anderson Composites like everybody else does anyway. So yeah, I will I don't know, might get some cinematic cuts and stuff like that. But this is the look. It's starting to come together, y'all boys. It is starting to come together. We got the hood wrap. You got the hood wrap right there, man. Blacked out badges. The roof is gonna get redone. Now we just need to get that redone. Also, we got more coming for the rear end of the car. I'm not gonna lie, the car probably just gonna have a sexy ass rear end, because we got the trunk, and you already know it's part of the Mustang starter pack. You know we got to get a diffuser. Whose diffuser? You probably might guess. But yeah, I'm gonna actually try to install the diffuser tomorrow or the day after, so we'll actually have start having a better visualization of how it's gonna look once everything is complete. But yeah, man, this is it. So yeah, I appreciate all for clicking on this, and yeah, stay tuned, because I'm gonna have to do this all over again with the new trunk, and I'll be uploading the diffuser pretty soon. But yeah, y'all boys stay tuned.